children! Do you know even we can make rice dance? Do you want to see how? Let me show you a magic. For this what we all need are a clear jar, white vinegar, uncooked brown rice, baking soda, food color and water. Now let's do it. First, let's fill the jar up to 3/4 with water. Then let's add some food color, which is completely optional. Then add 1 tablespoon of uncooked brown rice. If you observe closely, all the rice sink to the bottom of the jar. But how we can make the rice dancing? Let's see the next step. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir mix completely. Lastly, let's add vinegar. Now here you go. Watch the rice dance. Children, is it really magic? No, it's not magic, it's science. Let me tell you how it works. When baking soda and vinegar mix together, it releases gas, which is carbon dioxide. As the gas rises towards the surface of the jar, the bubbles attach to the sides of the grains of rice. The bubbles pulls the rice to the surface of the jar. Now see what is happening. When the bubbles pop, the rice again sinks back to the bottom of the jar. So children, this is the science behind the magic dancing rice. Isn't it interesting? Do try it now. Happy summer children. Bye bye.
For more learning videos,
Subscribe to Bumblebee Kids channel. Happy learning!
bye bye.